Welcome to Hallabol. You are watching our English news bulletin at this moment, and this is Rashmi here with you. Before going to the details, let's have a look at the headlines. Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi hits the government over its mismanagement and wrong policies. Law Minister Ratan Nath briefed the coronavirus situation in the states amidst a press conference. DYFI staged protest demonstration condemning hike in fuel prices. Rath Yatra 2020 observed without any public gathering in the temples or streets due to COVID-19 pandemic. Now the news in details. Crisis along China border along with overall economic crisis is the cumulative effect of mismanagement of Modi-led BJP government in the centre. Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi hits the BJP government and its policies amongst a meeting on Tuesday. Crisis along China border along with overall economic crisis is due to mismanagement of BJP government led by Modi in the centre, claims Congress High Command Sonia Gandhi. The current crisis that the country is facing, including the one along the border with China, is attributable to the mismanagement of BJP-led NDA government and the wrong policies pursued by it, said Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday at a meeting of the party's top decision-making body. She added India has been hit by a terrible economic crisis, a pandemic of huge proportion, and now by a full-blown crisis on the borders with China. The cumulative effect of this is widespread misery, fear and danger to the security and integrity of the country.
It is said that misfortunes do not come singly. India has been hit by a terrible economic crisis, a pandemic of huge proportion, and now by a full-blown crisis on the borders with China. Much of each crisis is attributed to the mismanagement of the BJP Modi government and the wrong policies pursued by it. The altogether effect of all this is widespread misery, fear, and danger to the security and territorial integrity of the country. Now, we have discussed the economic crisis before, a number of times before. Since then, it has become even worse.
In her opening remarks, Sonia Gandhi said there is a growing feeling among the people that the ruling BJP government has gravely mishandled the situation. She further added the future is yet to unfold more. Also, she said that we must hope that the mature diplomacy and decisive leadership will inform the government's actions in protecting our national and territorial integrity.
The Modi government refuses to listen to good advice. The need of the hour is a massive fiscal stimulus, putting money directly in the hands of the poor, protecting and nurturing the MSMEs and stimulating demand. Instead, the government announced a hollow financial package that had a fiscal component of no less than 1% of GDP. The government has added insult to injury by mercilessly raising petrol and diesel prices for 17, it was 16, but today makes it 17 consecutive days at a time when world prices of crude have fallen.
The Congress chief also hit out at the government over its handling of the coronavirus crisis and over the state economy. Bureau Report, Hallabol. Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath addressed the media through a press conference on Tuesday after important decisions have been made at the state cabinet. Tuesday, Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath addressed the media through a press conference after important decisions that has been made at the state cabinet. Addressing the people through a press conference on Tuesday, Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath discussed various priority-based projects to be taken up by the state government in relation to Atmanirbhar Bharat to make the people self-reliant. He said important decisions have been made in the cabinet on Tuesday, wherein recruitment of around 1,100 SP and constables have been taken up for the police department of the state. Around 8 crore 12 lakh 59,000 rupees would be spent in this regard. He further added 398 drivers will be recruited in the police department. Also, decision have been made to recruit one SPO at every panchayat or village.
বৈঠকে অনেকগুলি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সিদ্ধান্ত গ্রহণ করা হয়েছে। এর মধ্যে একটা হলো আমরা প্রপোজাল ফর অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট অফ 1100 স্পেশাল পুলিশ অফিসার্স SPOs to cater the shortage of constable in the districts. আমরা 1100 SPO নিচ্ছি এবং এতে 1100 SPO নিতে গেলে আমাদের বছরে অতিরিক্ত খরচ যাবে 8,12,59,200 টাকা। 8,12,59,200 টাকা। এদের SPOদের বেতন বর্তমানে 6,156 টাকা।
Detailing the coronavirus situation in the state, Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said active cases of COVID-19 in the state is 428 on today. Number of people recovered is 807. Total persons under surveillance are 46,880 and after 14 days observation the number stands to 40,706. 808 people are there in facilitation quarantine.
India confirmed case 4,40,215, recovered 2,48,190, death case 14,011। আমাদের রাজ্যে active case today 428, recovered 807, total personnel under surveillance cumulative 46,868 এবং 14 দিন অবজারভেশনে যাওয়ার পর 40,706। ফ্যাসিলিটেশন কোয়ারেন্টাইন আজকে রয়েছে 808, হোম কোয়ারেন্টাইন রয়েছে 5,000।
Minister Ratan Lal Nath also declared new 16 ventilators have been dispatched for the state from Delhi. Out of 37 ventilators ordered, 16 have been sent for the state. Bureau Report, Halabol. Only to satisfy personal grudge and serve political angst, Pradesh Congress acting president Piyush Bishwas tried to defame Halabol editor Prashant Bhattacharjee. 22nd June, his statement was totally different from that on 7th June at the press conference. The standards of acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Bishwas showed up in front of the members of Congress party, other political party members and common people of the state. There resides single difference between 7th June press conference and 22nd June press conference. 7th June acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Bishwas said Prashant Bhattacharjee is an agent of BJP, and on 22nd June he said Prashant Bhattacharjee is a keen supporter of Congress party. If Prashant Bhattacharjee was not a member of the Congress party, then why was his name nominated for the position of the party's social media in charge to the high commands in Delhi? According to information, there is a severe discussion among the other members of the Congress party that Piyush Bishwas has hidden the truth. No committee has been formed after dismissal of Bijit Sinha from the party. After being appointed as the Pradesh Congress acting president, he has been continuously deceiving the media and the people of the state and taking decisions on his own with a limited group of own people. Following this act of his, other senior leaders of the Congress party have lodged complaint against him to the high command in the center.
সদস্য না হলে আরেক জিনিস।
বহিষ্কারের বিষয়টা মানে আপনারা সিদ্ধান্ত ফাইনাল করে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছেন যেটা প্রসেসিং এর মধ্যে আছে।
সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছে প্রদেশ কংগ্রেস, কিন্তু প্রেসিডেন্ট তার সবগুলো প্রসিডিউর আছে, সেভাবে প্রসিড করতে হবে।
এই বিষয়গুলো বিভিন্ন সামাজিক মাধ্যমগুলোতে বিভিন্ন বার্তা করছে।
আমার যদি প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে অবদিন দিতে হবে, এটা তো অনেক পত্রিকায় দেখেছি, আমরা অনেক পত্রিকার সংবাদ পরিবেশন দেবো।
Although acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas knew every true fact, he lied to the media in press conference and gave wrong and false information to the media, only to satisfy political angst and to serve his own personal grudge. Acting Pradesh Congress President Piyush Kanti Bishwas did the notorious act to defame Halla Bol editor Prashant Bhattacharya amidst the people of the state as well as the party members. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. DYFI staged protest against rising fuel price. Hits the Modi-led BJP government for acting deaf and dumb on the serious issue. Democratic Youth Federation of India members in Tripura staged demonstration in the city on Tuesday, protesting against the skyrocketing petrol prices and demanding the government to condemn the steep increase in fuel prices in the state as well as the country. The youth left-wing DYFI members rolled bikes in the city, keeping them off, and demonstrated protest, displaying placards to allege that motorized transport is becoming unaffordable because of the increase in prices of petrol and diesel. Blaming the BJP-led government in the centre, DYFI State Committee Secretary Nabarun Deb said the people of the country as well as the state are going through severe economic crisis. He claimed overlooking all this distress, Modi-led BJP government is continuing its policies to kill the common man. He added, as the number of active cases of coronavirus is increasing, the rate of petrol and diesel is also simultaneously increasing.
এই সময়ে করোনা আক্রান্ত, তারপর লকডাউন, তারপর আনলক চলছে, গোটা দেশের মানুষ অর্থনৈতিকভাবে দারুণভাবে ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত। আর এই সুযোগকে কাজে লাগিয়ে, এই লকডাউনকে কাজে লাগিয়ে আমাদের দেশের সরকার মোদির নেতৃত্বে মানুষ মারার নীতি অব্যাহত রেখেছেন। গত 7 তারিখ থেকে প্রতিদিন রুটিন করে করোনা রোগীর আক্রান্তের সংখ্যা যত বাড়ছে, আমাদের দেশের মোদির নেতৃত্বে সরকার পেট্রোল ডিজেলের দাম প্রতিদিন রুটিন করে তা বাড়াচ্ছেন। মনে হচ্ছে করোনা রোগীর সংখ্যা বাড়ছে, পেট্রোল পণ্যের মূল্য বৃদ্ধি হচ্ছে। এই যে সিদ্ধান্ত, মানুষ মারার নীতি, এই মানুষ মারার নীতির বিরুদ্ধে আমরা রাস্তায় নেমেছি।
The youth left front wing demanded the Modi-led BJP government to minimize the rates of petrol and diesel, thinking about the interests of common people who are already debt-ridden. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. Rath Yatra 2020, the famous chariot festival held in totally different way unlike other years due to COVID-19 pandemic. Celebrations confined to simple worship without any public gatherings. The Supreme Court modified its June 18 order staying the Jagannath Rath Yatra, permitting the chariot festival to be held with certain conditions that included no public participation and imposition of curfew in the city due to COVID-19 pandemic. The festival of Rath Yatra sees the chariots of Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and goddesses Subhadra being brought to the temple every year during the third month of Hindu calendar. The 9-day festival celebrates annual journey of Lord Jagannath and his siblings to their aunt's place. Every year, huge decorated chariot pulled by numerous number of devotees participates in the Rath Yatra festival in the city as well as in the country. But first time in the history of Rath Yatra and worships have been made in a simple way without any public gathering due to COVID-19 pandemic. Instead of Rath or chariot, the deities have been brought to their aunt's place in a cart. ISKCON Regional Secretary Sridham Govinda briefed the program this year to the media.
আমরা জগন্নাথ বলদেব সুভদ্রাকে আমরা সরকারের সমস্ত নীতি নিয়ম পালন করে আমরা এমনি আমাদের গাড়িতে করে নিয়ে আসছি, রথ করে নিয়ে আসিনি, যেহেতু পাবলিক প্রোগ্রাম হয়ে যাবে, অনেক ভিড় হয়ে যাবে, তাই আমরা এখানে 7 দিন জগন্নাথ থাকবেন এবং 7 দিন জগন্নাথ জায়গা নীতি নিয়ম সেটা পালন করা হবে।
Tripura Rath Yatra or Chariot Festival is one of the significant festival in Bangladesh. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic and to refrain from any other further spread of infection, Swami Bagh ISKCON Temple at Dhaka also celebrated Rath Yatra without any public gathering and abiding the guidelines of COVID-19 pandemic. Celebrations have been confined to simple puja or offerings by the priests and no devotees have been allowed to gather in the temple premises. 9 days program of Rath Yatra would be celebrated in the temple premises itself without any involvement of public. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.
Well, that's all from our English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halla Bol.